UAE Worksheets. Today we're learning about double-digit addition. Addition is putting numbers together to make a bigger number. Here is an example of addition. Maya has 2 apples. She gets 1 more apple. When we add the numbers together 2 plus 1, we get 3 as the total answer. Now, Maya has 3 apples. This was an example of addition because we put 2 numbers together to make a bigger number. Double-digit numbers are just bigger numbers with 2 numbers. A number in the ones column and the tens column. Examples of double-digit numbers are 12, 35, 49, and 78. Notice how each number has 2 numbers? Now let's learn how to add double-digit numbers. Adding 2-digit numbers can be easy if we break it down. There are 2 easy steps to follow. Step 1, add the numbers in the ones place. Step 2, add the numbers in the tens place. That's it, in 2 easy steps you can add double-digit numbers. For example, let's add 13 plus 24. First, look only at the ones column. You can cover up the other column with your finger or a piece of paper. In the ones column, we have 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Be sure to write our answer 7 on the bottom, on the ones side. Next, let's look only at the tens side. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3, so let's write 3 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 37. 13 plus 24 equals 37. Let's try 31 plus 18. First, cover up the tens column. In the ones column, 1 plus 8 equals 9. Write 9 at the bottom on the ones side. Now, look at the tens column. Cover up the other side to help you focus. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4, so write 4 on the tens side. The answer is 49. 31 plus 18 equals 49. Try 42 plus 22. Focus on the ones column first. You can cover the other side with your finger. In the ones column, 2 plus 2 equals 4, so write 4 on the ones side. Now, look at the tens column, while covering the other side. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6, so write 6 on the tens side. The answer is 64. 42 plus 22 equals 64. Next, we have 36 plus 20. Cover the tens column and focus on the ones. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 equals 6. It stays 6 because 0 does not add anything to it. The answer 6 goes to the bottom of the ones side. Now, let's look at the tens column. Cover the other side. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5, so write 5 on the tens side. The answer is 56. 36 plus 20 equals 56. Let's solve 23 plus 14. Start with the ones column. Cover up the other side. In the ones column, 3 plus 4 equals 7, so write 7 on the ones side. Next, look only at the tens column. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, so write 3 on the tens side. The final answer is 37. 23 plus 14 equals 37. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to UAE Worksheets. Don't forget to check out our other videos and leave us a comment about what you learned today.